So here we are at the Otway, and I'm going to show you how to drop down the tailgate to get to the spare tyres. So firstly, there's a split pin here and a latch that we need to undo. That's step one. So down here we have 2 pins. So we need to take out the pin on each side, and then we need to remove this piece here. So to get that out, you may need to move it forward a little bit. 1 on each side. So now we need to just bring this forward, and it is on gas struts. And gently drop that down. And then those pins that we took out, we need to place them back in. So now we replace these in here. You may need to lift the tyre forward a little bit so that they'll slide in the hole. And there's 1 on each side. So in the drawer of your trailer, you will have a winder bar. Now we also use this to drop the support legs down, but this is also the bar that you would use to undo the nuts on the spare tyre. So to close up, it's just everything again in reverse. So firstly, we need to undo our pins here, 1 on each side. So we take out our pin. And we lift the tyres back up. And put our pins back in underneath. And we'll place our pins . One and the other side. And finally do our latch here, back up, and put our pin back in there.